Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna draw this nice illustration. So let's start. So first I have the sketch here which I did long time ago. So I wanna illustrate it. So I just click on it, go to Window, Transparency, and I put it about 50% or whatever fits you. So when you draw you can actually see what's behind properly, and the drawing is gonna show more. And you add a new layer, and in this new layer you go to Window, Brushes, and double click on this one here. I'm gonna put it 3 pressure and 3 variations. So when you actually hold here on the brushes, get the blob brush, but make sure you have the fidelity here at this level of smoothness, so it can be a little bit curvy. Okay, and make sure you have a black color. Okay, and then when you draw, it's gonna be thin to thick, and that's what pressure is. If you add so much thickness, if you just add so much pressure on it, it will be very thick, and if you don't add pressure, it's gonna be very thin. Okay, and that's how we're gonna start. So we're gonna go to the layer 2 and make sure on layer 2 it has 100% opacity, and we're gonna zoom in on the face. And we're gonna start from here. Okay, after you're done, select everything and go to Window, Pathfinder, and click Unite. I already clicked it, so it's no more brush strokes, it's actually one shape. And I brought these colors here. These are the codes for every color. You can actually pause the video and type each color. Okay, so after we're done, go to Layers and select this. Control C, copy, create a new layer, Control Shift V in place, or you can go Edit, Paste in place, or Control Shift V, and create a layer in between both of them. And now select layer 3, which is, let's name it Background 1. And in Background 1, select it. First, block everything else and leave Background 1. Select it and get the bucket tool and click once, and now you can actually color inside it. So get the eyedropper, select one color and start coloring. Let's color inside this man with this red color. And now create a rectangle like this, and then right click on it, arrange send to back, and color it with this color, the remaining color, and then get a white color, zoom in and color the eyes here and the nails. Maybe a little bit darker for the nails. This looks fine. Okay, and now we need to do some shadowing. So go to layer 5, unlock it, unlock the background 1. Let's name it shadowing. And let's get the blob tool again. Zoom in. And with the eyedropper, get this orange. And let's do some shadowing. So what's nice about this method is you have the ink here. Let's name this one ink. And you're painting underneath the ink but over the colors. Make sure you're on shadowing when you put the shadows. And we're done. So I added here 3 colors to show you the rest of the colors which I didn't show you the code of. So for the hand and for the feet here, I used this color. So this color is DBD3C8. And for the sword and the feet of the horse, I used this gray, which is 9FA4A5. And for the shoes of the guy, I used this color here, and this color here is B27D81. And as you can see, the rest of the colors are available here. You can just focus on which color I chose and just look at the colors here and see what fits most. And you can change the colors if you didn't like any of the colors I chose. And we're done.